How to check if your Samsung phone is original or refurbished. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can check if our phone is original or refurbished. So without any ado, let's start with the process on how we can check it. But before that, I just want you to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get updated about the new ones. So in order to check your status about your phone, these are the steps you may follow. Step 1, head over to the main settings of your device. After that, you're just gonna head over to your about phone section. So at the last, when you scroll down, you'll be finding this option called about phone. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be finding your information about your phone here. So in order to look about your phone status, if it is original or refurbished, step number 2 is clicking on the status information. Just click on it, and when you go this below a bit, you'll be finding this option called phone status, and you can find this official option here, which means the phone is original. If there is refurbished written below the phone status, it means the phone is refurbished. So apart from this, if you're looking for another method on how to check your phone's if it is original or not, method number 2 is just head over to one of the browser. After that, you're going to type in IMEIcheck.com on the browser, and here you need to have your IMEI code for that. So in order to check that again, head over to the main settings of the device again, and then again go down a bit until you're able to go to the about phone section. After that, you'll be finding your IMEI number here. You're just going to copy one of the IMEI number, just long press on it, and when you long press on it, the code will be copied to a clipboard. After that is done, just head over to the website that we did before, and here you'll be finding this option called check IMEI for free. Just click on that option, and when I click on it, you need to paste the code that we copied earlier. Just paste it, and after that, click on this check IMEI. So if the results get displayed on your screen when you type in your IMEI number on the website, that means your phone is original. But if you have no information about your phone when you type in your IMEI code here, that means your phone is refurbished. So that's how you basically know about your phone's information, if your phone is official or refurbished, by following the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.